These little puppies chasing her. Come over here, Daisy. Come on. Come here. Six weeks old today. Going good. Yeah, couldn't fold them. Got a few brisket bones. They're going good. 3 black bitches, 4 black and white dogs, and a black dog. Yeah. A good size and can't fold them. They have their fun. See later, scratching the ditch. They're growing good. I will expect something from this litter. So much that I plan on keeping them all. They're 6 weeks old today and get their first needles on Thursday, and they're doing good. A little bit of aggressiveness in them. Yeah. Can't fold them. Plenty of characteristic about them. Yeah. That's all then.